We're from HIT Foundation. My name is Elizabeth Chee. I'm the COO for HIT Foundation. And next to me is our founder, Dr. Eberhard Scheue.
Hi, as she said, I'm the founder of HIT Foundation, and we are a blockchain-based marketplace for personal health data where you as an individual can monetize your personal health data. We as a foundation set the rules in the marketplace, and we can actually create a token where we tokenize health information. And you as an individual, if someone is looking for your health data, they can make you an offer. For example, if you're diabetic and you monitor your blood glucose level for 3 months, then you get a token in return. And that's basically the model how research is being done, and they offer to you, are you willing to participate? And then if you deliver the data, you get a token in return. But you can stay anonymous through blockchain technology, and we're totally decentralized. And our vision is to get rid of the data monopolies that they are in healthcare system. They are very strong players in the healthcare system. They all have their business model based on monopolizing data, and the only person who can get rid of the monopoly is you as an individual. So you have the right to access the data, make the data shareable. That's it.
And perhaps allow me to add on, which is most of the blockchain projects here, they have positioned themselves to get rid of all the intermediaries. But for us, we actually want the intermediaries to stay. The key stakeholders in the entire healthcare ecosystem, they're important to make the entire healthcare ecosystem work. If we sabotage a group in the system, they will sabotage the entire system, which we are already seeing right now by all the data monopolies, etc. We want to be inclusive, and that involves, individuals like you and I, patients, hospitals, all the research organizations, partner medtech, as well as policymakers and payers. So we actually allow all our key strategic partners to maintain the already established trusted relationship with the individual, so that individuals actually get to see who is actually using their data, what are they doing with it, and that they actually grant them the permission because they're comfortable with what's going to be done to it. At the same time, how this data is actually going to flow is actually going to flow back to drive predictive algorithms and to drive improved patient outcomes. Ultimately, we want to enable the population so that it drives prevention and continuity of care. Finally, it drives population health.
We don't have to forget that there's one major problem in healthcare, especially if it comes to the digital health data, which is you as an individual have no incentive to digitalize your health data, which is why we have the situation that a lot of very good applications are not being used because there's no incentive for you as a user to use it. That's where the token comes into play. If you can actually receive a token when you digitalize your data, then you're motivated to collect your data, digitalize it, and make it shareable. So through the backdoor, you're basically building a digital health record for your own. But again, we are not building another database, because the data remains with the individual. So he or she decides who she wants to share the data with.
So currently we're working on finalizing the architecture, and then we'll move on to build our MVP. Our plan is to have our MVP ready by the time we launch our ICO sometime in Q2. And we welcome everyone to take a look at our project and welcome any feedback, questions that can actually make the project better.
Okay, we mainly came here for the new input we can get from the other participants, for the network. It's great networking here. Also the exchange between the old world, the old VC world, family offices coming here to learn about blockchain technology, and we share our knowledge that we have. In return, we learn what interests them in projects, and so I think BEF is a good platform for networking, get visibility, and get a lot of good contacts.
Thank you for all the hard work to make this happen. It's a really big conference, and then a lot of work actually has been put into it. And what we really like about the BEF conference as well is that it's in a good location, and that you actually thought about involving everybody along the entire ecosystem. It's all about collaboration. It's not about, for example, VCs versus ICOs, etc. It's actually about how we come together and continue to evolve as we develop this technology. So it's still in a new phase, and we're very excited and optimistic about the future.